Hey Shopify merchants! It's Tapita SEO tutorial series, SEO Booster Manual Optimize Metadata. First, on the app's left tab menu, click on SEO Booster. Choose Meta Title Description Optimization. Choose Manual Optimize. Go to the page type you want to edit content. Choose pages that don't have status as OK. Click Action then Edit. You can see the current meta title is too short and it hurts my store SEO. You can type in an SEO optimized title or click on AI Generate. The metadata created by our app is SEO optimized already. Once the bars turn green, your new metadata are SEO optimized. Leave this unchecked before clicking Save if you want to save new values to Tapita config only, not Shopify admin config. Then you can click Save to update new values to your storefront. Please wait for 5 minutes for the new values to be updated on your storefront. You can risk an SEO audit to fetch new data update faster.
A few minutes later.
After 1 minute, the page has the status as OK for both meta title and description. Now my page's meta title and description are fully SEO optimized and updated on the storefront. And that's it for Tapita SEO tutorial today. Thanks for watching.